Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Mark Burstein from NGC, and today we're going to talk about the Andromeda Cloud Platform. Andromeda enables the connected enterprise. The connected enterprise will transform your business. Let's talk about three important philosophies in retail. Number one, planning is very important. Number two, reacting is even more important. And number three, planning your reaction is the most important of all. If we review some recent headlines over the past few months, we can see many different retailers. And these retailers in the not so distant past had been companies that had been on the pinnacle of the industry. However, today they're associated with words such as liquidation, bankruptcy, store closures, and layoffs. For decades, fashion brands and retailers ran their companies like assembly lines, and most of them still do. Here's their process. First, they would analyze sales performance at the end of a season. Then, they would go back to the beginning and adjust their merchandise plan for the upcoming season and track the process as it went through product development, sourcing, compliance, production, and logistics, eventually ending back up at the retail store. At the end of that season, they would follow the same pattern. They would readjust their merchandise plan and go through the assembly line again to get goods back onto the store floor. That's what's causing the problem in retail today. However, there is one exception: Zara. And if you think they're nimble and flexible because they're small, you would be incorrect. They actually are the world's largest fashion company. They have a data center, and they use real-time sales information to plan their reaction. If a product is selling, they'll make more of it. If an item is not selling, they'll get out of it. And the way they do this is by managing a connected enterprise. In the connected enterprise, sales trends propel the company. As soon as something is selling at retail, all departments know about it. In logistics, if there's something in transit, can we expedite it? In production, can we make more of it? Even in product development, if something's selling at retail, can we design more of it within season? Here we have a schematic that lays out the process of the connected enterprise. The item is the common denominator. And if you look at the arrows on the top, everything is about that style. We plan styles, we develop styles, we source styles, produce styles, ship them, and sell them. Across the columns in the top are the data elements that manage this process. Along the rows on the sides are the departments that are managing that data. When we look at the pink squares, the intersection is the department responsible for that data. But when we look at the gray dots, those are the departments that need the information to do their job. There are 50 pink squares and 200 gray squares. So if you look at that ratio, for every one department entering information into the process, 4 departments on average need that information to do their job. And within the connected enterprise, Andromeda is not meant to replace any of your existing enterprise systems. On the contrary, Andromeda will work with them. The end result of Andromeda is making sure that the right product is in the right place for the consumer to buy it. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Mark Burstein. My contact information is on the screen below. Thank you very much.